So here's a SpiderWebShade JKini. It's for 2007 and up, 2 or 4 door Jeep Wranglers. Just got this in the mail the other day and having some problems with it. Got this one I'm installing a 2013 Jeep JKini Rubicon, like I said, with a hardtop. And the problem I've been having is as far as these straps back here and attaching them. So if you follow, first of all, it doesn't come with any instructions. You have to go on the website itself and watch a video or look it up on YouTube. And what they want you to do is they give you these spider balls here, and you're supposed to run this through this grommet. And if you do that, you don't have a whole lot of room, because you also have to run your factory hardtop screws through the hole, and it's a very tight fit. The main problem with it that I've been having, not just that it won't fit through the hole that well, but this is being pulled at a 45-degree angle once it's installed, and they get caught on the edges of the hardtop screws right here. And if you have one of these and you're trying to put one in, you know exactly what I'm talking about if you got a hardtop. So what I ended up doing is I found a solution for it, but it involves using a tool I found at Home Depot. This is a general grommet toolkit, and what I'm basically doing, already done on the other side, if you can see here, is make my own grommet hole. And I put that grommet hole right here, so it frees up, allows the spider ball here to actually go through the grommet and pull aft and make it real tight, and to put another grommet right here is just for the hardtop screw to go through. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, here she is fully installed with the hardtops, freedom panel still off. Got the soundbar put back in, fully screwed in. The only thing that's not in is obviously the freedom panel screws. So let's get you a shot and see how exactly I ran a spider ball. See, I got it going across the back of the soundbar here through the grommet that was provided by SpiderWebShade, and through the crack right there. And right through the hole where the freedom panel screw goes, you can see the grommet lines up pretty well that we installed. Same thing for the driver's side, if I can get in here. There we go. Which lines right up. Okay. So I'm going to put the freedom panels on and we'll see how it goes. All right, well, there should be fully installed. Went back in much easier than it did before. Hell, didn't even work before. But screws went in just fine. So SpiderWebShade, if you're watching this, I suggest that you incorporate that into your product. Just put 2 little more grommets on there. Have a lot more happy Jeep owners. So that's that. Until next time. So I wanted to take a minute here and show you guys this toolkit close up. So yeah, I got this at Home Depot. It's only $10. You can find it over in the tools section by where they have the staples and all that kind of stuff. Pretty simple. You open her up, it's got 2 different size of grommets. Very simple. The big ones, smaller ones, compare the 2 sizes. And the way it works, I include this soft piece of wood here. Two different size tubes for cutting. Actually have a chamfer on the end. Driver tool, 2 different size heads for it. And you saw me use it, so basically all you gotta do is take your block of wood, put the material on top of it, take your cutting tool, put it on top of where you want to make the hole, and just pound on with a hammer until it knocks out the material. From there, block down the material on top, select what size grommet you want to put there. I'm going to go with the small, set it on top, put the material over top of that, assemble your driver, put the washer on top of the material, pound her down. And that's all there is to it.